Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to withdraw from Z-League. Let's begin. First, open the Z-League app and ensure you are logged in. Once inside, head over to your profile section. There, you will find your wallet displaying your current balance. Below that, tap on the Transactions option to begin the withdrawal process. On the Transactions page, you will see your transaction history along with a button labeled Cash Out. Tap on the Cash Out button to proceed. You will now be taken to the withdrawal page. Here, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Then, provide the payment address where you want to receive your funds. After entering the required details, confirm your withdrawal. Your request will be processed and the money will be sent to the address you provided. This method ensures that your earnings from Z-League can be accessed easily and securely. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.